Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to take a look at what I got from the Alexander Dennis factory in London that I went to on Saturday. So yeah, this video is going to be uploaded maybe today, I'm not too sure. I've got all of the week before the Alexander Dennis event, and yeah, obviously the Alexander Dennis event, then the unboxing of the magazines that I've just done, and then this one. So yeah, and obviously before that all the school bus rides, or coach rides I should say now really. So yeah, this is a bit into the future from the rally, but oh well, who cares, at least I'm still doing one. So yeah, sorry about the wait, here we go. So here's everything that I've got from the Alexander Dennis factory, minus obviously the Kit Kat as you can see in the background and the Salty Shake crisp. So yeah, let's get into it. So here we have a Enviro 200 Dennis Dart by Alexander Dennis, obviously. And as you can see, it is the operating guide. As you can see. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Moving on, we have Alexander Dennis, aka Dennis Dennis, and yeah, it is a Dennis Dart SLF, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Shows you all the different bits. I wonder if you could get these on eBay. Who knows? Oh, certainly no picture of the bus, but who cares? So yeah, moving on to the Alexander Dennis Enviro 400. And yeah, there we go. All of these are mainly operating guides. As you can see, it's got these things on the side. Not too sure what they're called. Just some different images and information. And a picture of the bus. And here we have an Alexander Dennis Enviro 300, as you can see. And there's the photo of the bus. And here, it's just some more images of what the bus is and stuff like that. Moving on, we have another Enviro 400 one, but without the thing on the side. As you can see, Enviro 400, and yes, it is different. As you can see, the picture of the bus is different. So yeah, and probably some more stuff. Next we have a open day thingy, safety notice, obviously by Alexander Dennis. And then here we have some crayons that, yes, I have nicked, let's just say. But oh well, who cares, they're only crayons. Nice little neat box. Oh well. So yeah, it says Alexander Dennis on it, and that's about it to the crayons. Then we have some pens, as you can see. And if you wonder, I didn't get the bag, because I don't know where to get the bags from. And yeah, so here's one of the pens. And here's, oh whoops, here's the other pen, but yeah, they're pretty much, well, they are the same. And here we have a show bus thing which I took out of one of the show cars because it was sticking out. See, I thought, ooh, let's take that, yoink. So yeah, here's a show bus thing, which is pretty cool. And then here we have another Alexander Dennis thing about the open day, and yes, they are obviously Dennis as well. And I think they've also merged with Plaxton. I'm not too sure, because it did have the cheetah on the wall. So yeah, I think they merged with Plaxton. Then obviously I got a white bus timetable for the 500 route. And the strangest thing is that I've also got a double one. I think I was meant to pick up a 48 one rather than that one. But oh well guys, I'm sure I can find it on eBay somewhere. And here we have some else to do with an open day? It's the Alton Bus Rally running day. Wonder if Rob will be there. Could be. So yeah, here's the leaflet. It is Sunday 21st of July, if you're wondering. And here we have another safety notice, it seems. I think I got a couple of them. And here we have another open day thing, safety notice. And another one. And another one of them open day thingies. Bit like this one down here. And we also have another one of the, what do you call it, the safety notices. And another one. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and peace out. On second thoughts guys, I do have the 48 timetable for the white bus. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.